To draw Minion easy. First draw circle, eyes. 1 and 2 eye. Circle, circle, circle. And circle outside of circle. And eyeglass is finished. Inside eye. Inside eye. Wow, cute. And then draw head. Round head, potato head. Smile, smiling, smile. Curve line, curve line. This is close. Curve line, left to right. Beside the face. And draw the clothes from here to here. Draw body line. And draw hands here. Hand, left hand, right hand. And then maybe draw pocket here. Yeah, and draw the legs. Don't forget shoes. Mistake. So color, black. Okay.